Okay, we're on to day 2. It is Saturday morning, 10 after 9. I didn't get hungry again yesterday, so I just had the 2 cans of sardines and the 1 can of Kipper snacks. This morning I'm going to be going with the Great Value brand, and I'm going to be making a dressing that I like to have on top of it, and I just eat it cold. I'm starting with 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm gonna get that melted. Okay, we've got 2 tablespoons of melted ghee, or you could do brown butter is what I usually use, but I'm going dairy-free at the moment, so I've got some really nicely browned ghee, just a little squirt of Dijon mustard, a nice little sprinkling of Redmond's seasoning salt, and then we need 2 tablespoons of Bragg's apple cider vinegar. And I am doubling this because I'm doing 2 tins of sardines. And then let's hope this doesn't spray us. Pour my dressing right on top. Okay, so I got my fish. It's so good and tangy, and it's a lot different than the other flavors that you get when you're just doing the butter or oils or whatever. I'm gonna go enjoy my fish. This is day 2, starting off with 2 tins of sardines and 2 tablespoons of ghee in my dressing mixture. So, all right, I will see you guys back when I'm hungry for more sardines. Okay, hopefully it's not too noisy. I've got a TV on because my kid's home, and I've got my air fryer heating up, so hopefully you can hear me okay. I've had a full day. It is 4:10, and I am finally getting hungry again. So I'm gonna do 2 more tins. I've got this one from Aldi I have not tried yet, so I'm gonna try it. But I want to air fry some. I like to air fry them in bacon grease. And then I'm gonna have some, because I'm hungry right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and chop some up with a little mayo and a little mustard to make it like a little bit of a tuna salad. I'm gonna go with another can of the Great Value sardines, because I'm just kind of in the mood for like a tuna salad kind of thing, and these taste a lot like tuna to me. So that's what I'm gonna do. Chop these guys up a bit. Okay, I've got about a tablespoon of mayo here. Small squirt of mustard. That's all for that one. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this because I'm hungry. Yeah, that hits the spot. That absolutely reminds me of tuna salad. All right, and then I will be back in a minute with the air fried sardines. Okay, so I've got a tablespoon of bacon grease. Okay, we've got all of our bacon grease melted. Try to load my little sardines in there without draining the juice, but there's still some. in the bottom of the tin. Come on, little guy, separate. Okay, and we're just going to let them go. Okay, it is all done. All right, hot sizzly sardines from the air fryer. Yeah, they're okay. Maybe I should have gone with my King Oscar ones for the air frying them, because those I know are fantastic in the bacon grease and everything. Not bad, not my favorite, but I'm gonna eat them and they're gonna be good. And that takes me to 4 tins of sardines today and 4 tablespoons of fat. So that's 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of bacon grease, and 1 tablespoon of mayo. So that is day 2. I suspect this is going to wrap it up because it is now almost 4:40. I don't usually eat this late. This is kind of late for me to eat anyways. I don't see myself being hungry again later. So I think that's going to call it for today. And then I will see you guys back tomorrow for day 3. Bye.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for culinary